Welcome to Practice Better. In this video, we will go over creating custom booking pages. To create a booking page, go to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and select Share My Link. Under Public Booking Pages, you can create an individualized booking page or a booking page for your entire team. Here's an example of a team booking page. When creating the booking page, you have the ability to restrict it as your default page, or restrict your booking page to be visible to clients with specific tags. This is helpful if you have services pertinent to specific clients. If you have more than one location, you can restrict your booking page to one clinic. You also have the ability to limit the team members displayed on your booking page and remove your client's ability to pick between different practitioners on your team for shared services and packages by hiding the practitioner pick list. To set up your booking page, click on the red Fast Action button in the bottom right-hand corner and select Add Category. This allows you to create a heading for the different services you are offering for your clients. Once done, you can add products within that category. When adding a product, you can select all practitioners or specific ones. If they have that service, such as a discovery call, your clients will be able to book with any of those practitioners selected when viewing the booking page. Once you've created your booking page, you have the ability to rearrange all of your categories by using the arrows. Select Save Changes when done. Now I'm going to show you what the booking page looks like in a client's view. Clients can book by selecting the practitioner first on the left-hand side, or by selecting the Book Now button and selecting their desired practitioner. This concludes this video on creating a team custom booking page. Please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.